The practice of Digital India, Aadhaar Glossary, all Aadhaar related terms B through Z. BC or Business Correspondent. Business Correspondent is a term for banking channel for rural India. BFTE, Biometric Failure to Enroll. BFD, Best Finger Detection. Best finger detection means identification of the best finger or fingers to improve authentication accuracy and hence be more inclusive in supporting Aadhaar authentication across all sections of society. BPL, Below Poverty Line. Biometric information. Biometric information shall mean 10 fingerprints and iris image of a resident captured by UIDAI as part of the enrollment process for issuance of Aadhaar number. Biometric data. Biometric data refers to the facial image, iris scan and fingerprints collected by enrollment agency from the enrollees based on the standards prescribed by the UIDAI and by following the process laid down for the purpose. The data collected is passed on to the UIDAI as per the process prescribed. CSC, Common Service Centers operating as franchisees of Service Center Agency SCA within a state as part of the CSC scheme of the National E-Governance Plan of India. CSO, Civil Society Outreach, an invitation undertaken by UIDAI to get learnings from NGOs on issues related to migrant labor, homeless, etc. CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme. CSV, comma separated variables or values, a simple file format for computer which is widely used due to ease. CIDR or Central ID Data Repository. CIDR is the data center or centers where data of resident enrolled for Aadhaar is stored and accessed from. Deduplication. Deduplication is the process of using the demographic and biometric data collected from an enrollee to check against rest of the data so as to avoid duplicate enrollments. DOB, date of birth. Demographic data. Demographic data refers to the personal information collected or verified by the enrolling agency based on the data fields prescribed by the UIDAI and by following the process laid down for the purpose. The data collected is passed on to the UIDAI as per the process prescribed. DIT, Department of Information Technology. DDSVP or Demographic Data Standards and Verification Procedure. The UIDAI set up the Demographic Data Standards and Verification Procedure Committee, Data Standards Committee, chaired by Sri N. Vittal. The Data Standards Committee submitted its report on December 9, 2009. eKYC, Electronic Know Your Customer, an electronic substitute which is instant and paperless for industry use to meet KYC requirements of banking, telecom, etc. ECHS, Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme. EGOM, Empowered Group of Ministers. Enrollment. Enrollment refers to the exercise of collection of demographic data after verification, collection of biometrics and the allocation of the UID number after deduplication. Enrollment Center. Enrollment Center refers to the premises located in the area where the enrollment is being carried out. One enrollment center can host multiple enrollment stations. Enrollment Station. Enrollment station refers to an individual enrollment booth or enclosure inside the enrollment center. The capture of demographic and biometric data is done in this station. FPIR, False Positive Identification Rate, which describes the proportion of identification transactions by users not enrolled in the system in which an identifier is returned. FI Financial Inclusion Program of Banking Industry to expand banking to rural India. FTE or failure to enroll. Failure to enroll refers to the failure of the biometric system to form a proper enrollment template for an end user. The failure may be due to failure to capture the biometric sample or failure to extract template data of sufficient quality. G2C, government to citizen, are transactions of government which are targeted to large population. G2G, government to government, are those transactions that are with central or state government. Introducer. Introducer is a person of credibility and local presence who is authorized by the registrar, government and other agencies who verifies and assures identity of another resident. IFSC. IFSC or Indian Financial System Code, which is the code used by banking industry to identify a particular branch. ISO, International Standards Organization. ISO or International Organization for Standardization is the world's largest developer of voluntary international standards. International standards gives the state-of-the-art specification for products, services and good practice, helping to make industry more efficient and effective. Developed through global consensus, they help to break down barriers to international trade. KSA or KYC Service Agency, a valid ASA who has been approved and has signed the agreement to access KYC API through their network. KUA or KYC User Agency, a valid AUA which has been approved and has signed the agreement to access KYC API. KYR or Know Your Resident, on the lines of KYC of banking industry, like example ration card number or welfare beneficiary identity number. KYR plus, fields required in addition to KYR fields required by the registrars. MNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Manual, Enrollment Manual. MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. NGO, Non-Government Organization. NPR, National Population Register, which is a program of Registrar General of India Census Office for the enrolling and assigning ID numbers to residents. OTP, one-time password. OTP is a one-time personal identification number generally sent to the mobile phone number for authentication framework. PID or personal identity data. Aadhaar-based personal identity data or information including biometric and demographic information as well as the OTP used for authentication. POC. POC or proof of concept is a program undertaken in a smaller denomination to test the usefulness of the program. POR or proof of relation is used in the context of minor getting enrolled in UIDAI. Resident, Normal Resident of India, RFP, request for proposal, which is the term to denote tender or procurement formalities. RGI, Registrar General of India. RSBY, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana. RDPR, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. STQC. STQC or Standardization, Testing and Quality is an attached office of the Department of Electronics and Information Technology, DEITY, Government of India, provides quality assurance services in the area of electronics and IT through country-wide network of labs and centers. TIN, Temporary Identification Number provided by RGI. UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India. UID, Unique Identification. Unicode, globally accepted standard definition of local language characters in a computer system. character sets defined by Unicode Consortium, USB, Universal Serial Bus. Source and reference: http://uidai.gov.in